Hi everybody, it's 11:30 and 8 seconds. This is the drawing for the lot of Infinity Gauntlet books, which includes Silver Surfer 44, Infinity Gauntlet number 1, Infinity War number 1, and What If the Silver Surfer Possessed the Infinity Gauntlet number 49. Over here on the left hand side are the 16 filled spots. I'm going to roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. Let's randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get all four books. Pardon my tongue twister. And they will ship out tomorrow, Monday, July 2nd. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the final one. 12. Spot 6. Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 11:31 and 11 seconds.